Hi, it's Liz here from the Herb Guide, showing you how to make catnip and tuna cat treats. Your cat will love these and they're so simple to make. The ingredients are oatmeal flour, and if you don't have any I'll show you how to make some, tuna, tablespoon of catnip, olive oil and an egg. And to make oatmeal flour, take 1 cup of normal porridge oats and run your food processor for a few seconds until they make a fine flour-like powder. It's that easy. You can normally buy catnip at pet shops, but if you can't find any, I do buy mine through Amazon sometimes, and there's a link in the box below. You can also make cat toys with it, so you'll get plenty of use out of a bag of catnip. Add the tuna, 1 tablespoon of catnip, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the oatmeal flour. Switch your processor on for a few seconds until the ingredients are well mixed. Line a baking sheet with either foil or parchment. Roll the mixture into balls about half a teaspoon each. Flatten the balls with a fork. Bake in a preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit, 175 centigrade or gas mark 4 for 10 to 12 minutes. The cat biscuits need to be dry, slightly brown and a little bit crunchy. Put them on a wire rack to cool before you feed your kitty. Store them in an airtight jar in the fridge. They will keep for 7 days, so it's important to put a date on the label. This quantity of dough will make around 70 cat treats. You could freeze it in quarters if you only have 1 cat, so your kitty can have 2 or 3 a day. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. Come visit me at the Herb Guide and let me take the mystery out of herbs for you. See you next time.